Hi, this is a tutorial on how to use Drawing Cartoons 2, which is an animation app. So what you have to do, if you want to create an item, go to the items, constructor. So you go to the items constructor, then to create a new one, or to select item you've made before, you tap one of your items, but I like to refer to them as characters. So this is so what you do now is press new. If you want to create a new character, you add a new bone. How to use the tools. So this is a paint bucket one. You select a color from here. To create a custom color, you go to the plus button and you select whatever color you want to select. So then you select it. This is the options for your brush. That's the opacity. The opacity is how visible it is, while the width is the size of your brush or pen or whatever you want to prefer. Now this corner here is a states corner. So if you press a new one, you create a new one. If you want to delete one, you hold on it, you tap on hold, and then you click delete. To copy it, you copy and then it duplicates. So then these are the tools. Now it's help. Turn from the look of the tools, they do what they do. And to move, this option only moves the bone, not actually the view. So yeah, that's that. Oh, and to save it, you press the tick. So you tap the three dots to edit the thing. So attach is to attach to a bone, but I haven't created a bone yet. So to attach it, you tap three dots, attach, or you just tap that and then it attaches. You can just tap and you've already selected a bone. For example, like tap this, you have selected it. You can just tap it and then it adds automatically. And then you can edit, which allows you to edit it and not make you have to create another thing. And then you can also click copy to copy it. So this is a bone. This is how it makes it work, and it requires a bit of skill. This is the settings. You can select master. Okay, so here's the thing. This thing, the base point, only the base point can be made a slave, and that's for items that you can make characters hold. And then the master option is for a character if you want to make the character able to hold stuff. And the things that can only hold is an item with a base point that is put on with the option slave. So yeah, you click the recycle bin button if you want to delete something. Okay, and then you also click these buttons to make it go in the front or back. And then you save as. When you saved it, you type in that, then you click the save button. And then you also do item preview to preview the item. And then go to help if you need help. There's how to create items. And that shows you it all. And then also animated items, and then pick an image if you want to insert a custom image for one of your character or items body parts. So So yeah, let me show you an example of importing something. So I'm gonna pick like I'm gonna select a torso, so like this. Oh, and this does go upside down, so in an awkward position, so you have to kind of put it in position. And it's very fiddly, so you have to be very careful, or it's going to go in the wrong place. So then you select the base point, attach, and then you can also make it a sleeve. It's a sleeve, the colour of the sleeve is red, while master is green coloured. So then you can just move it like that. And that's how you import it. Okay, now let's go to how our character works. Okay, so this is the head. That is selected as master. So you can put a helmet, but the item for the helmet has to be selected as a slave for the base point. So these are all masters. They can they use hands, can hold weapons and items, whatever you want to call them. The head can have a helmet on, and these are thus for moving. And then you can to make an item a slave so that your character can hold it, you click slave, and then that's it. Okay, so next, how to create a new cartoon or animation, or whatever you want to call it. To insert your item or character you created, you just tap any of them. So like that, all of them work. Then you click custom items or common. If you want to select another item, you can select any of these items, and yeah. So go to your custom items, insert like whatever your item you want. So Balto. That's how the head works. These are the legs. So now it's inserted. So let me show you an example of how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna make it moving like that. Then you have to move it forward. And what I mean by forward is thing, yeah. So you create new frames when you're making it move again. So you tap this button and then this button to go back. And then you move it on everything so that it moves. Okay, now let's play. Look, so it moved. Wait, on one thing I didn't make it move. So that you can fiddle with it how much, whatever you like. I'm gonna make it go all the way through. Or if you wanna go crazy, you can just make it move already. But that's gonna be too fast, so I recommend creating frames and frames to make it look like it's actually walking. As you see there, that makes it much faster. Alright, so now these are the settings. Select whatever you want. You can go to load and then load one of your saved cartoons, or you can watch some. You can go to the demos here and then watch one of them. So get an idea on how the app works, how the app works. And then to share one of your animations, you go here. Go to new cartoon. To export one of your animations, you tap this, one of your cartoons or animations. Then you go to export and then save as video or upload on YouTube, and then that's it. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this helped. Bye.